Good morning, my friends. I hope you're doing well. So what did I do today is I'm going to try and make myself a little jet engine that typically power the Airbuses and Boeings. So I've got here a motor from hair dryer, but that is the motor still run. So, and this is the original housing. So I've got a Coke bottle here that I cut open. So this part, I'm going to take my Dremel and cut this off here exactly where the tape is. And this section will sit on that. There is some flanges there and at the bottom. And then this side will be cut. I'll cut it directly off there, up to that point and off and up. Like one of the engines, I'm not sure if it is a Rolls-Royce or a General Electric, it got at the end of the outer housing, there is something, it's a shape like a zigzag or sinus wave. So this will be my idea to simulate that. Okay, and then I will cut, okay, this will be out, and then this pipe will go over, or inside and over the engine there. I can take it out. It will go over the engine, and then my idea is to have jet air coming out here from that. So I'm going to split it. Some of the air will come through the center side. That is basically the thrust area of the jet. And then I've got the bypass area on this side. And the bypass will be housing that sit from here going forward will be a cowling like the nose part. And I've got this in mind. It's an old air filter that fits nice over the engine. So this will give also more or less a nice realistic look. But from here you will not see this in any case. It will be a nice body that go to the outside, and then this little part that you see here from the Coke bottle, it will eventually, I will cut this pipe off so that jet air come in, and then it tapers off, and I will cut it off here like the real thing. Always you can see on the outside at the back, you've got the little point where the jet air stream come out, and then this area here will be open. That is now that part where the bypass air go through, and it will be a high bypass machine. As you can see, most of the air will come from the outside, so the bypass thrust will be much higher. But the idea is not to create thrust or anything. It's just a model that can run, and hopefully it came out nice with paint and everything to put on display, and it just run and make a nice sound. But there will be no thrust, obviously, because this is not a thrust propeller, but it's just for a modeling of making the thing. And then I've got also in this video, just quickly I'm gonna explain. I'll put a link in the description of a 1940 Oliver 60, and the owner in South Africa said there's only 200 made, and he's got one. So I've talked to Bryce Wiebok. I'll put 3 photos also in the video, and then a link where you can check the video. It's only 2 or just under 3 minutes long, where the guy talked to the guy sitting on the tractor. That will be better to click on the link and check the video. There's a little bit of some other models, old tractors as well. So check it out, guys, and then I'll see you on the next one with progress on this jet. All right, my friends. Bye-bye. So let's start to cut this part, guys. Okay, that part is off, so let's see if we can be successful and take that off. I'll bring you back after a while. It's going well so far. Okay guys, it's taking shape there. I think I must cut now this part off that I want to be off. And I must tell you, the Coke bottles is very tough. Okay. Going to cut it. Okay guys, now I need to cut this top part where I make this mark. That must come off because this pipe will be glued on there. So it will make sense when I cut it off and I show you. Okay guys, let's cut the last piece for the day and then we will see how it looks. I'll cut it off quickly and then we will get an idea how the engine will look. Okay guys, here is a rough idea how it will look, but this, you will not see this and you will not see this down area because here will come a new cladding outside that come to here. So you will only see this back side. I'll make it more nicer and maybe cut it more out so that it's more aggressive sinus wave there. But this is just an idea. And that will be this one, very nice in with that one. And then this will be the jet pipe air, and from that side is the bypass air. So I just need something now for here and make everything very nice and so that it fit, so that I can glue it, and then we have a motor and wire it and put it on a stand. Okay, so look out for the next one. Maybe we will finish it up next time. Okay, my friends, see you on the next video. Bye bye.